going to start out with a beer and a Southern Comfort. And we're back in my old stomping ground. A pool hall. And we're going to dick around at a place called The Pocket. Here's another one you got to look out for. All he's doing is practicing his brakes. He's been working on his brakes for about an hour and a half. And then he just resets. So all he's doing is practicing his brakes over and over and over again. So, I don't know. These people you gotta look out for in pool hall. So if you ever go to a pool hall, you gotta look out for these people. This guy's going solo, practicing a session. He's learning his cuts. He's learning his stuff. He's doing it over repetitively. These guys are just playing pool and doing stuff. These ones are the dangerous ones. Those are the dangerous ones you gotta look out for. They go and practice and practice and practice and practice.